Hello children, welcome back to your online classes. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping good at home. Children, myself Anju Anil and I am going to teach you science. In the previous classes, you have learnt about living things, non-living things, parts of a plant, animals, feeding habits of animals, the universe, etc. In today's video, I am going to teach you chapter 1, living and non-living things. Before beginning the chapter, let's see the objectives of today's video. Learning objectives. First, living and non-living things. Characteristics of living things. Children, we see a lot of things around us. Just look at your surroundings. What you can see? You can see your parents, birds, chair, table, books, mobile, etc. Here in this picture also, you can see animals, human beings, table, chair, lamp, car. So children, all these things we can classify into two groups. One group is living things and the other group is non-living things. Children, what do you mean by living things? Living things क्या होते हैं? The things that have life in them are called living things. Examples, plants, animals and human beings. Children, जो भी चीज जिसमें जान होती है उसको हम living things कहते हैं. So plants, animals and human beings are living things. Plants means पेड़ पौधे, animals जानवर and human beings means इंसान. ये सब जो है वो living things है. Why? Because they have life in them. इनमें जान होती है इसलिए ये जो तीनों चीजें हैं वो living things कहलाती है. Okay children? Now what do you mean by non-living things? Non-living things क्या होते हैं? The things that do not have life in them are called non-living things. जो भी चीज जिसमें जान नहीं होती है उसको हम non-living things कहते हैं. Like tables, pens, toys, rivers, soil, etc. You can see here your teddy bear, chair, ball, car, fence, tent, torch, slides, pencil, pen, mobile, laptop. All these are non-living things. Why? Because they have no life in them. उनमें जान नहीं होती इसलिए they are called non-living things. Okay children? Now let's see the characteristics of living things and features of living things. They move, they grow, they breathe, they feed, they reproduce. So move means living things, they can move from one place to another. Living things जो है वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव कर सकते हैं. They grow means वो छोटे से बड़े होते हैं. They breathe means जो living things है वो सांस लेते हैं. They feel, living things can feel means महसूस कर सकते हैं. Living things reproduce means फिर से पैदा होते हैं. So all these are the characteristics of living things which we are going to study in detail. First characteristics. Living things move. Living things like human beings, animals, birds and fishes can move from one place to another. Living things like human beings, animals, birds, fishes, they move from one place to another by themselves. Animals move in search of food and water. Why animals move from one place to another place? In search of food and water. Animals जो है खाने की तलाश में एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव करते हैं. They move to look for shelter and also to protect themselves from their enemies. Animals also move for shelter, यानी आराम करने की जगह ढूंढते हुए भी वो मूव करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह, and also to protect themselves from their enemies. Just look at this picture children. In this picture, the deer is running after seeing the tiger. Why this deer is running? To protect itself from this tiger. अगर ये नहीं दौड़ता है तो ये टाइगर इसको खा लेगा. So the animals, they move in search of food as well as shelter and also to protect itself from their enemies. Okay children? So all the living things, they can move from one place to another. Now see here children, animals like dogs, cats, tigers, cows, etc. move with their legs. जो animals हैं वो कैसे move करते हैं? जो dogs है, cats है, cows है, all these they move with the help of their legs. Birds and insects fly with the help of their wings. जो birds हैं और जो insects है, they fly. वो उड़ते हैं किसकी हेल्प से? Wings, पंख की हेल्प से. जो birds है और जो insects हैं, they fly and they move from one place to another. So birds and insects fly with the help of their wings. Fishes swim in water with the help of their fins and tails. जो fish है वो water में swim करता है with the help of fins and tails. You can see in the pictures children. Fishes, they swim in water with the help of their fins and tails. Okay children? Plants do not move from one place to another because they make their own food. जो plants होते हैं वो move नहीं करते हैं from one place to another. You have seen that plants, they do not move from one place to another. But animals and human beings, they can move from one place to another. And why these plants, they do not move? They make their own food, and that process is called photosynthesis, which we are going to study in the next chapter. Okay children? Non-living things like pencils, books, pens, etc. cannot move on their own. जो non-living things है like pencils, pen, they cannot move by themselves. Now you see here children in the picture. This pencil is here. Its position is here. When you are holding with your left hand, its position is here. And now its position is here. How? When you are holding it with your right hand. So when someone moves it, then only the non-living things, they can move. When someone moves, then only they can move. Now the next characteristics of living things is grow. Living things like animals and plants grow with time. जो living things होते हैं वो grow करते हैं with time. When living things grow, their shape and size change. जब living things grow करते हैं तो उनका shape और size change हो जाता है. A human baby grows into an adult. एक human baby जो है वो धीरे धीरे बड़ा होके जवान हो जाता है. और ये baby plant grows into a tree. एक जो बेबी प्लांट है वो ग्रो होके एक बड़ा सा ट्री बन जाता है. लिविंग थिंग्स आर बोर्न, दे ग्रो एंड डाई व्हेन दे बिकम ओल्ड. जो लिविंग बीइंग्स है वो जन्म लेते हैं, धीरे धीरे वो बड़े होते हैं, फिर वो बूढ़े हो जाते हैं और मर जाते हैं. जस्ट लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. अ बेबी ग्रोज इनटू एन एडल्ट. ये जो बच्चा है धीरे धीरे जवान हो जाता है. Here you can see a baby plant grows into a big tree. एक जो बेबी प्लांट है वो धीरे धीरे बड़ा होके एक बड़ा सा पेड़ बन जाता है. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स दे डू नॉट ग्रो. जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स होते हैं वो ग्रो नहीं करते हैं. जस्ट लुक एट द बैग. हैव यू एवर सीन द बैग इज इंक्रीजिंग इट्स साइज? नो. सो द नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स दे डू नॉट ग्रो. लिविंग थिंग्स ब्रीथ. जो लिविंग थिंग्स होते हैं वो सांस लेते हैं. ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स ब्रीथ इन एंड ब्रीथ आउट एयर टू स्टे अलाइव. जो लिविंग थिंग्स है वो सांस लेते हैं और छोड़ते हैं, इसी से वो जिंदा रहते हैं. लाइक दिस, ब्रीथ इन एंड ब्रीथ आउट. ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द एनिमल्स ब्रीथ थ्रू देयर नोज एंड लंग्स. जो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स और जो काफ़ी जो जानवर हैं वो ब्रीथ कैसे करते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर नोज एंड लंग्स. Insects such as grasshoppers have air holes along the sides of their bodies for breathing. जो grasshopper है उनके जो बॉडी के साइड्स में होल्स होते हैं through which they breathe. Fishes breathe through gills. जो मछली होती है वह ब्रीथ कैसे करती है? गिल्स के हेल्प से. Now you can see here the picture. Nose and lungs. Gills through which fishes they breathe, and grasshoppers they have air holes along the sides of their body for breathing. Plants breathe through tiny pores in the leaves called stomata. Plants जो है वो कैसे breathe करते हैं? उनके जो leaves में tiny pores होते हैं जिसकी help से plants breathe करते हैं, सांस लेते हैं. Okay children, and that tiny pores are called stomata. Here you can see the tiny pores through which plants they breathe. Non-living things such as toys, tables, bicycles do not breathe. Have you ever seen your bicycle breathing? No. आपने कभी देखा आपके बाइसाइकिल को सांस लेते हुए? No. Okay children, so non-living things they do not breathe. Living things need food and water. Living things need food and water to live and grow. जो living things है उनको जिंदा रहने के लिए, ग्रो करने के लिए food and water की जरूरत रहती है. Food gives us energy and also protect us from diseases. जो food है वो हमको एनर्जी देता है और हमें बीमारियों से बचाता है. So children, you also get energy from the food which you eat. You need energy for your studies, to play, etc. Okay children, so eat well. We obtain food from plants and animals. हमको खाना कहाँ से मिलता है? Plants से और animals से. Okay children. Look at this picture. The girl is eating an apple. She is eating an apple. Zebra is eating grass. This tiger is eating flesh of other animal. Okay children. Non-living things do not need food. जो non-living things होते हैं उनको फूड की जरूरत नहीं होती है. कभी आपने देखा है आपके टॉय कार को खाना खाते हुए? Yes or no? No. Now the next characteristics of living things is living things feel changes. Living things can feel the changes that take place in their surroundings with their 5 sense organs. जो living things है वह अपने आसपास जो भी changes होते हैं उसको महसूस कर सकते हैं. किसकी मदद से? जो sense organs है उनकी मदद से. So what are the 5 sense organs? Let's see. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. With the help of eyes we can see, with ears we can hear, with nose we can smell, and with the help of tongue we can taste, and with the help of skin we can feel. Okay children, when you touch any hot objects, you just remove your fingers. Why? Because you feel hot. The same way, when you touch any cold things, you can feel cold. ठंडा लगेगा आपको अगर आप आइस छुएंगे. Okay children? और जब भी आप कोई भी गर्म चीज छूते हैं तो आपको गर्म लगता है. Why? Because of the skin. You can feel it. Plants also feel changes around them. Plants can feel light and grow towards it. Even the plants, they can also feel the changes around them. Plants can feel light and it grow towards the sunlight. Now you see here children, this plant is growing towards the sunlight. Why? Because it can feel light. You know that touch me not plant, it folds its leaves as you touch it. Why? Because that plant can feel your touch. Non-living things do not feel the changes in their surroundings. जो non-living things है उसको अपने आसपास के जो भी changes होते हैं उसको पता नहीं चलता है, and neither it can feel also. When you drop a pencil, it won't hurt. जब भी आप एक पेंसिल गिराते हो नीचे तो पेंसिल कभी नहीं रोता है, उसको कभी चोट नहीं आती है. But if you fall, you get hurt and you start crying. जब भी आप गिरते हैं तो आपको चोट लगती है और आप रोने लग जाते हैं. Okay children, so the non-living things, they do not feel the changes in their surroundings. They do not have any feelings. But living things, they can feel the changes that take place in their surroundings with the help of sense organs. Okay children. Now the next characteristics. Living things reproduce. Reproduce means फिर से produce करना. Living things produce young ones like themselves. This is known as reproduction. For example, dogs give birth to puppies, cows give birth to calves, human beings have babies, birds, fishes and some other animals lay eggs. Their young ones hatch from eggs. So children, living things जो है प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, पैदा करते हैं यंग वंस को जो बिल्कुल उनके जैसे दिखता है, एंड दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड रिप्रोडक्शन. रिप्रोडक्शन मीन्स लिविंग थिंग्स प्रोड्यूस यंग वंस लाइक देमसेल्व्स. लाइक काउस जो हैं दैट गिव बर्थ टू calves. Human beings have babies. Birds, fishes or some other animals, they lay eggs and their young ones hatch from eggs. Look here children, mother with her baby, cat with its kitten, and this hen, it lay eggs and the chicks comes out from this eggs. Okay. Plants also reproduce. Most of the plants produce seeds. These seeds grow into new plants. So the plants also reproduce. Most of the plants, they produce seeds, and these seeds that grow into new plant. Look here children in this picture. From the seeds, the new plants come out. So plants also reproduce. Non-living things do not reproduce. The non-living things, they do not reproduce. They never have babies. Okay. Now let's see the characteristics of living things once again. Living things, they move, they breathe, they grow, they feel, they reproduce. They move means जो लिविंग थिंग्स है वह एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जा सकता है अपनी मर्जी से. दे ब्रीथ यानी वो सांस लेते हैं. दे ग्रो यानी धीरे धीरे वो बड़े होते हैं. दे फील यानी वो महसूस कर सकते हैं. दे रिप्रोड्यूस मीन्स फिर से पैदा कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स सी द recapitulation of this video. Living things means they have life in them. Non-living things, they do not have life in them. Characteristics of living things: they move, they breathe, they feel, they reproduce, they grow. Okay children, so that's it for now children. Stay safe at home. In the next video I will teach you about the difference between living things and non-living things. So children, thank you.